everyone. Now that you have printed the sheets, let's see how you can paste and cut them. Use any cardboard material that you can find at your home. Old Amazon boxes, old textbook covers, anything. Next, use a glue stick and apply the glue evenly at the back of the printed sheet. Then, stick the printed sheet to the cardboard. Now, let's paste it. Once you've applied the glue, paste it on the cardboard. Paste it carefully. Let it dry for some time. Now let us cut a block or a backdrop and spread. Here I have cut a pencil spread. It is now much thicker. Paste and cut the remaining sheets as well. Remember, this will take a while. Be patient and cut carefully. At the end of it, you will have lots of fun making your own activities. You are now good to go. Bye.
Meow.